Do you want to find out who viewed your WhatsApp status? You can check who saw your WhatsApp status with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To check who viewed your WhatsApp status. First, open the WhatsApp application on your mobile device. Once you're in WhatsApp, tap on the Updates tab at the bottom of the screen. Now, under the Status section, you will see your and other friends' statuses. At the beginning of the Status section, you will see My Status, tap on it. Here, you will see all your statuses, tap on one to see who viewed your status. Now the status will open and start playing. While it's playing, swipe up on the screen or tap on the eye icon at the bottom of the screen. A new pop-up will appear with the list of contacts who have viewed your status, along with the viewed time. You can also repeat the same for other status updates if you've posted multiple.